Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate an Apple gift card in 2025 step by step in a simple and secure way. Step 1. Start by unlocking your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID yet, create one using your email address before continuing. Step 2. On your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. On a Mac, open the App Store and click your name at the bottom of the sidebar. Step 3. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code. If prompted, confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Step 4. If you have a physical Apple gift card, find the 16-digit code on the back of the card. If it's a digital gift card, open the email or message where the code was sent. Step 5. Tap Use Camera to scan the code automatically, or choose Enter Code manually and type the code exactly as shown. Step 6. Tap Redeem. Apple will verify the code, and once it's accepted, the gift card balance will be added to your Apple account instantly. Step 7. Your balance is now ready to use for apps, games, music, movies, subscriptions, and other Apple services. That's all for this guide. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date and easy step-by-step tutorials.